During this session, we're going to concentrate on adding whole numbers. The methods we are going to show you are only some of the methods you can use. If you use a different method and it works for you, then keep using it. If you think that you need to do more than just a little bit of quick revision, then speak to your LDO or BSDM, and they'll organise some help or more suitable resources. Let's look at our first method. The first method we're going to look at is using a number line. So we'll write down our sum, 5 plus 9. Then we draw a number line from 16 to 0, as the numbers I'm going to add are 5 and 9. We need to make sure that when we draw our number line, we have enough numbers to count on, so always put in a few extra. To use the number line, we find 5 and count 9 spaces, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer is 14. A number line can also be used for larger numbers. We started our number line at 0 and went up to 16 because we're working with smaller numbers. What would happen if we had to add larger numbers? Could we use a number line? Let's see. This time we're going to add 57 plus 8. So we'll write down our sum, 57 plus 8. Next we draw our number line. What numbers should we put in? Well, this time we could start at 57, as we're counting on from there. We're adding 57 plus 8, so let's find 57 and count on 8 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So our answer is 65. Number lines are an easy way to add, but it can be time consuming. A quicker way of adding is to use the following method. To use this method, you have to remember what you learnt about place value. For example, if we write 256, we have 2 hundreds, 5 tens, and 6 units, or ones. You may have completed tables like this before. Let's write in our number, 2, 5, 6. In this table, we've shown up to hundreds, but we can go on to thousands, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, and millions. For the sum 617 plus 153, we'd write out our sum like this, with 617 above 153. Keeping our numbers in line, we simply add the top figure to the bottom, starting from the right. 7 plus 3 is 10. Therefore, we have to place a 0 placeholder in the first column and carry the 1 over to the tens column. We then add it to the 5, which gives us 6, and then to the 1, which gives us 7. Write this in. Add your final column of figures, 6 plus 1 is 7. The answer is 770. You have to be quite good at mental arithmetic to make these quick calculations. Here's a tip that might help when using this method. Let's add 23 plus 14. As you can see, we've aligned our equation exactly the same as before. 23 over 14. Remember, we're starting from the right, adding the units column first and then the tens. However, this time we could work it out slightly differently by writing our sums like this. Add the units. 3 plus 4 equals 7. Then add the tens. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Write the 3 in the tens column. Use whatever method you're happiest with. Let's try one more. 55,042 add 11,790. So, we start off in the units column, we add the 2 to the 0. Then, we go into the tens column, and we add 4 to 9. This doesn't work, so we put in a 3 and carry the 1. Then we add the 0 to the 7, but remember that we have a 1, so it's an 8. Then add the 5 to the 1, and it equals 6. And finally, the same again. 5 add 1 equals 6. Our answer is 66,832. This clip will have helped to remind you how to carry out addition. Please use your own method or the method you are most comfortable with. Now remember, you must complete your workbook to help reinforce what you have learned. You can view this clip as many times as you need to.